How to get best Unidays student discount promo codes. Want to unlock exclusive discounts? Here's how to get the best Unidays promo codes and maximize your savings. So, start by signing up with your student email. Unidays requires verification, but once approved, you'll unlock hundreds of brand discounts. Second, download the Unidays app. Mobile users often get exclusive flash codes and limited time offers. Unidays partners with top brands. You can save up to 60% on Adobe Creative Cloud, 20% on Nike, and even discounted subscriptions like Spotify and Apple Music. Combine Unidays discounts with seasonal sales. This is where you'll find the deepest savings. Influencers and student blogs often share extra promo codes tied to Unidays campaigns, so keep an eye out for this bonus deal. And that is how to get the best Unidays student promo codes. Verify your student status, use the app, and stack discounts with seasonal sales to save the most.